Today we're going to learn how to create a simple action on watsonx Assistant. So for today's scenario, we want to design a straightforward chatbot action for booking an appointment, prompting the customer to choose between a morning slot or an afternoon time slot. Let's start by creating an action, and let's select new action. I would like to start from scratch, and I want to call this action and have my first utterance as I want to make a booking. Let's save this and add more utterances. If you're wondering how to create effective utterances, please check out our YouTube video on that topic. So now I would like the chatbot to respond with, would you like to have a morning slot or an afternoon slot? And I want to define this customer response with options so that it's easier for the customer to use the chatbot or the watsonx Assistant. And now, in my next step, I want to add the condition as morning. So if the customer chooses morning, I want the assistant to respond with got it, morning slot noted. And then I will end the action because once the customer chooses the morning slot, that's done. Now for the afternoon slot, I have my condition set as afternoon and I respond with got it, afternoon slot noted, and we will end the action here as well. Now I want to save all of this, and as you can see, I want to click the preview button to test out my action. So I'm going to ask the chatbot, can I make a booking? And it will respond and provide me the options. If I choose morning, it says got it, morning slot noted. Now let's test the afternoon slot. So I'm going to click on afternoon, and it will respond with got it, afternoon slot noted. Simple as that. So what did we learn? We learned to enter the utterances, define a customer response type in which we selected the options and had a morning option and an afternoon option for the customer to choose between. And we also used conditions where we had a certain response if the customer chose the morning option and a different response when the customer chose the afternoon option. And finally, we were able to save our work and use the preview button to test out our actions to see if they are working correctly. Thank you so much for watching our video, and if you have any questions regarding watsonx Assistant, please feel free to comment and we will get back to you.